How to use AfterPay on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use AfterPay on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, you will find several other options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the bank icon. Once you tap on it, this other page appears, where you will find several options that you can use to manage and get access to more features of the app. Scroll through them and come to this section here. Due to a recent UI update, Cash App has moved some features to other areas of the app. From the list of options that are here, look for one named AfterPay. As you can see the option here, make sure you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page, where you will see more information about the amount that is available to you currently. Make sure you are following the tutorials step by step to avoid making any mistakes. After that, tap here, switch to AfterPay. This other page appears, where you will see some conditions you need to fulfill before you can switch recent transactions to AfterPay. The first one is that the transaction has to be made with your Cash App card and not any other card or form of payment. The other option, or condition, is that the transaction has to be between $25 and $50, and it has to be within the last 30 days, and it has to be fully processed. If these conditions are met, then you can use AfterPay. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to use AfterPay on Cash App.